Well, hello, welcome to my channel. Let Africa Think. I am Prof. K. There is no secret that Africa has a lot of business potential. But one of the key ways that we can unlock Africa's business potential, to me, is power supply. If I have to name a single resource key that will unlock Africa's economic potential, it will be the power supply, and that will be at a high list. According to a study in about 2017, about 43% of the population in sub-Saharan Africa, which is almost 700 million, live without access to electricity. So most of that population lives in the rural areas. But city dwellers, those who are in the city, also face access to electricity, the power supply. By solving that problem, we can connect African cities, towns, and villages in the next step of development. Now, supporting the power infrastructure that will create this environment, however, creates sometimes some challenges. Although national grids may be costly at the moment, I believe by going out and getting potential investors who are willing to build electric power grid, solar panels, hydroelectric power, if that is feasible, if we can solve that key of electricity, power supply in the continent, that would be a game changer. Now, don't get me wrong, there are other key infrastructure that, like the road network, that need to be improved. But the power supply is one of the key things that we can do to unlock Africa's business potential. Now, this is where Africans who live in diaspora must come in. It is their job to harness potential investors in Africa and bring them home. Also, local businesses can also invest in solar panels and use that in their businesses. If we are going to tap into the enormous African potential and Africa business capacity, the key, in my opinion, is to fix the power supply, the electricity grid, solar panels, hydroelectric power. But we don't have to sit down and wait for the West to come and solve these problems. Let Africans think. Let African leaders think. Put a plan in place to secure profitable, friendly business and foreign investors who can also invest in this area. Apart from that, let African leaders think to involve the local sons and daughters, the indigenous men and women of the continent. Let them come together and put together a plan that can solve the issue of power supply. And once that issue is solved, the business potential, in my estimation, is unlimited. I am Prof. K. I hope you like this video. Please like and comment to this video, and I will see you next time. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Let Africans Think. I will see you next time.